Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the eye canvas. Clean, hydrated skin helps everything sit better. Apply a lightweight eye primer and a touch of concealer on the lid to neutralize darkness. This brightens without adding weight. Once done, groom and lift the brows with a brow gel to open the eye. A 1/3 lift under the highest arch changes perception. Then curl lashes and tightly apply a thin mascara at the root. This creates the illusion of a wider, more open eye right away. Now build shape. Apply a matte mid-tone in the crease and blend upward slightly. This lifts without heaviness. You should tightline the upper waterline to make lashes look denser, then draw a thin liner that extends just past the outer corner to elongate. Use a small brush to place a light, reflective shade at the inner corner and center lid. It catches light and makes the eye appear larger. Make sure to blend edges. Soft transitions read as natural expansion, not makeup borders. Finish by building 2 thin mascara coats, focusing on roots and outer lashes, and use a lash comb to separate. This adds lift and definition. Set under-eye concealer with a light dusting of translucent powder to prevent creasing, and gently smudge a tiny bit of shadow on the lower outer lash line to balance length. If things go wrong, say creasing or irritation, stop, remove products, let skin rest, and reapply only primer and a single liner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.